Hefner, certified by WeatherRate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks 7 years in a row.
I was looking at the precipitation calendar and it feels weird to think about, but we've registered 4 straight days of rain here in Springfield. It doesn't really feel like it because that rain on Wednesday came super early and that rain on Thursday came super late just before that midnight hour. But it's really been the story for this week where we get those warm temperatures, kind of in those mid-80s, and then a burst of heavy rain. That's what happened on Tuesday. That's what happened on Wednesday into Thursday, and that's what's going to happen again this weekend, where temperatures are going to warm up on Saturday, and we're going to end Saturday by another burst of heavy rain and thunderstorm potential that's coming into the Ozarks. But right now, we're enjoying that quiet period. We had that morning rain, but those clouds pushed out of our area, and they've been leaving us with pretty cool temperatures for this 9 o'clock hour. Temperatures right now, we finally dipped below that 70-degree mark. We're at 67. Have a little bit of humidity that is hanging on. Still a little bit of moisture that's hanging on into the air. And it's nice to not have precipitation. We'll take the humidity as long as we can get rid of that rain and keep our Friday plans intact, right? So that cloud cover has really started to push out, and those showers that we saw today moved out of the area. High temperatures today, we didn't even break 80, mainly because of that second wave of afternoon showers that we saw. And we're going to stay dry for tonight. We're going to stay dry, well, at least most of us are going to stay dry for Saturday morning. There's a few chances that there might be some stray showers that are popping up. Models seem to pick up in just a few places Saturday morning. May see a bulk of some showers, but look what's going to be forming when we get into Saturday evening. For most of the day Saturday, we're going to stay dry, but once we get to the 7 o'clock hour, that's when we're going to start to really see potential picking up. The events are going to start with supercells that are going to form off in Kansas. Now, when these supercells are developing, the main concern is going to be large hail and even tornado potential. But as we move into the Ozarks, what's going to happen is you're going to start to see that those supercells are going to form a line. And at this point, we're not as concerned about tornadoes or monstrous hail. It's more damaging winds and heavy rainfall. This is going to be a slow-moving system that's going to push through the Ozarks. I just advanced it 3 hours there, and it looked like it barely even moved. Some places can see up to 3 to 6 inches of rainfall that's going to be coming in tomorrow night. And that's not everyone. I think a majority of people can, probably 1 inch is going to be widespread throughout the area. And this rain, it's going to linger. It's going to stick around until Sunday morning. But the good news for churchgoers is when we do get into Sunday morning, things are going to start to slow down. That rain and precipitation is going to push out. And we're going to start to see clearing as Sunday goes on. And this is all because of a cold front that's stirring up this activity. If you looked at this map yesterday of the severe weather, we didn't have this enhanced risk. As the models seem to be picking up, they're expecting this event that's going to be pushing through tomorrow is getting stronger and it's going to be worse. Those instability values, the wind shear, it's all going to be a little bit more than we expected. So we're very concerned about this severe weather that's going to be pushing in. Once again, I think the threat for tornadoes, very low to minimum. It's really flooding and damaging winds that's going to be impacting people in the Ozarks the most. So if you're planning on going out to Missouri State football game, hey, it's the first home game. Should stay dry throughout the game. That rain's really not going to be coming until after the game concludes. And guess what? That rain, it can linger into the morning hour on Sunday. But once that cold front pushes through, temperatures are really going to start to cool down. We're talking highs in the 70s for really the majority of the next week, guys.
If we can just hold on until Monday, it'll finally dry up. It's just off and on. The rain has been, I wait for days now.
It's been off and on, but we're expecting a quieter week that's going to be coming at the start of the work week.
Sounds good.
Starting to feel a little cooler. Well, thank you. And with the beginning